Hello and welcome to Cookidoo. So you've got your Thermomix, you've got connected with Cookidoo. Now I want to just give you a quick look at how to start adding recipes and kind of the way I recommend doing it. So once you're on the home screen on the desktop or the app, when we go into explore or search, you'll see here you can drop down to search via recipes or collections. Now, I recommend you'd search via recipes if you're looking for something specific. If you're looking for a soup, or if you're looking for pancakes or something really specific, I would use the recipes, search via recipes. However, if you are just looking for inspiration, you just want to see what's out there. What can the Thermomix do? Maybe you're new to Thermomix, maybe you're new to Cookidoo. I recommend for inspiration searching via collections. Now, in collections and in recipes as well, your filters section will be slightly different. So you can see here, I've already got my filters set to all 4 of the English speaking Cookidoo countries. If you don't have that, pretty much I think first of all, you'll start seeing different language collection labels like titles on here. So just go into your filters section and make sure that you've selected all the country or regions that you want. Now, these are the only 4 English ones. However, if you want to add on any other ones, you're bilingual, you're learning a language, you like a certain country's cuisine, go in there, although just note it won't automatically translate. Now, so there are 878 collection results in these 4 countries. Just to give you a quick idea of what the filters looks like in the recipes section. So I've got it set up the same filters again. You can also just have it on English and just make sure that if you want, you can have English on and then all 4 of these unselected. But it's a really good idea to have the English speaking countries selected so that you can see all of those all the time. And just make sure in your profile section, you set up your filters to stay there. So I think it's either here or in the account. Yeah, so in here, go into down here. What the way this works is this is really good because you can set your filter to stay there. Otherwise, if you don't do this, it will reset every time and you'll have to reset those filters every time. So let's just go back to where we were so I can give you an idea. I want to focus on the collections in this one because the recipe one is self-explanatory. You're just looking through. But if we are looking through collections, what I recommend doing, you see the different categories, which is great because you go, oh, yes, mocktails. I was looking for some mocktails, and you can go in there and see all of them. Now, what you can do is save the whole collection, which I have already. So you can save the whole collection. There's 9 recipes. Or if you're just having a look through of that category and you only like 1 or 2, then hit the 3 dots and then you can add your selection to your own collection. So you start building your own lists and categorize your own list, which I'll show you in a second. You can also add it to your week. You can bookmark it. So that would be like your favorite list. Add it to your week, add it to your shopping list, and even add it to your created recipes. So if you like this recipe but you want to change something on it, and you consistently change something on it and you want other people in your house maybe to follow the recipe but with your changes, that's what you would do here. Now let's go have a look at where you'll find these then. So in the My Recipes section, you've got here all of the ones that you've saved. So you can see all with your created collections. This is those categories that you build that I was talking about. So you'll see here, these are all of the categories that I've put into my own created collections. So they will all show up here and I've created the category for them. So you might like to do it this way. You might like to do it in the way of each person in your house has their own list and they put their own recipes in there. So it's going to look like that. And then when you check for the collections that you've saved, this is where you'll find those. So all of the collections that I saved that I like are right here. So I hope that that gives you an idea on Cookidoo and getting started. The more you can just maybe sit down on the couch with your app in hand and just find some recipe inspiration and even add them to your week so that you know what you're cooking, create the shopping list from there. Things that utilizing Cookidoo is going to help your overall experience with Thermomix. And of course, one of the main collections I recommend you check out is this one. One of the ones I did with the only one so far that I've done with Thermomix in a partnership. So this is obviously my favorite collection. We've got 15 recipes in here, all guiding you through some of the favorites from mostly my Lighten Up recipe ebook and 6-week challenge. I've taken the favorites from there, from many years of people giving me feedback, and these were the favorites, and we've organized those into a 1-week meal plan. So the meal plan's not available in Cookidoo, but it's available for free on my website, and that just organizes all these meals into your 1-week meal plan plus a shopping list. So check that out. Happy cooking!